Just a very quick update on the Paradise Bar. Look, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I don't know if it's closed because it's probably not open, but full steam ahead with renovations. So they've torn down the sign. Sorry, that was a big screen. They used to have movies. So they've torn that down and they're rebuilding. Oh no, I can see someone in there. So it still must be open for service, but obviously looks like they're going to rebuild all of this deck. Long overdue. I told you, the Vietnamese, man, they're straight into it. They don't muck around. They've already put concrete footings down, and you watch, probably today or tomorrow, this will all be done. Yeah, there's a few people in there actually, so it's still open for business. Wow, I wonder if I'll put the big screen back up, because that was always fun to come down to the beach and watch a movie. But here's the scene at the moment. It's just a beautiful day. Beautiful morning, I should say. Really small surf, but you know, it's surfable. A lot of people out walking the beach, as I do, and just enjoying this beautiful sunshine. Clear shot of Lady Buddha over there. Even a clear shot right up top of the mountain up here. But yeah, it's I always knew that they would just come straight back into it and they wouldn't muck around. I can't wait to see how it's going to look. I dare say they'll rip all that white and blue wood out. You know, it'll all be looking fantastic. All right, I'm going to continue on my way. I'm aiming for 200 push-ups along the beach this morning. I've only got 170 to go. Okay, catch you later.